Right now we're working on the Vex EXP robots. So right now I'm working on making the claw for it, and it's been really fun, especially because our teacher, Mr. Carrington, is very good at explaining. He's a very good teacher.
As part of the ISD 2.0 initiative, I'm thrilled to announce that International School of Dhaka has partnered with Carnegie Mellon University.
As you can see here, we have our individual pieces. Currently, this is our base of the robot with the wheels, and we're currently building a claw machine right here, which will help us carry objects from one point to another point.
As we adopt their program and their curriculum to seamlessly integrate into our design and technology program, it's our duty to prepare our students for the challenges to come in our world that is constantly evolving with innovation, which is changing our future.
In my design class, we made a phone stand, and the machines I used to make my phone stand is the tenon and mortise machine to cut out the slot for the phone stand, and I used the jigsaw machine to cut out the shape of my phone stand.
We're trying to build a robot that can navigate by itself, and we're doing it in class to simulate how a robot in the future could help us in our factories.
At ISD, our students go through design cycle to design and make product. As one of the projects they do is robotics, the other project they do is product design. Here is an example of a product design, a mechanical toy done by grade 8.
International School of Dhaka, we are not just preparing our students for the future, we are equipping them with innovative skills, collaborative skills, and the knowledge and skills they need to be successful in a brighter future.